Onondaga counties. At 12:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New York State Fairgrounds, or near Syracuse, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe storm will be near Galeville around 12:35 a.m. Syracuse around 12:40 a.m. Cicero around 12:45 a.m. Linden around 12:50. Tornado warning for northeastern Onondaga County until 1:15 a.m. At 12:39 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Galeville or near Syracuse, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh, shit.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cicero around 12:50 a.m. Bridgeport and Kirkville around 1 a.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Holy shit.